Buenos días, damas y caballeros. Aquí presentando Café de Olla con Tequila, Cazadores, Reposado. We're going to start off with your favorite coffee bean, whether it's a medium or a dark roast. Warm spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. Panela or piloncillo. You can also use brown sugar. Of course, Tequila, Cazadores. We're going to use the Reposado for this particular cocktail. Here's your setup. I'm going to start off with 1.5 ounces of Café de Olla Syrup. Your optional 1 ounce of milk. 3 ounces of your favorite coffee, whichever brew works just fine. 2 ounces of Tequila Cazadores Reposado. This will bring out all those delicious warm spices. And that's it. Fill your shaker tin with ice all the way to the top. You can also make this in a blender, so have all the fun you can with it. Shake it nice. I'm going to use my favorite mug and strain. Just love to garnish this with a little allspice or spice mix. There you have it. Enjoy it. Que lo disfruten.